For the past month, basically since I put my garden in around Mother's Day, it's done nothing but rain here. And it's been raining the last few days, and the weight of the rain on the rose bushes, which I hadn't tied up, and I'm kicking myself for now, has caused them to flop over. So my climbing roses are flopping over the strawberry bed. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Here's another rose bush, a white one in front of the house that's also flopping over into the path from the weight of all the rain. I'm starting to feel like I live in Seattle. I'll be very happy for some sunny days. A week or so ago, I made a video of the garden and showed how some of the tomato plants were kind of yellow. I treated them with Epsom salt for magnesium, and I gave them calcium and also some compost tea, and things seem to be looking better. We had a couple of nice days. Well, with the raining again, I now have pepper plants that are looking kind of yellow. And some of the tomatoes that have been looking better have new yellow leaves. I had cut off all the yellow leaves before. So hopefully this rain slows down and I'll feed my plants again and see where we are.